Hello everybody, today I'm pleased to present you this beautiful Concertina connection Rochelle, brand new 30-button Anglo Concertina. This beautiful model features traditional wheatstone keyboard layout, spacing, key diameter, and key height, riveted action, 6-fold bellows, traditional handrails, and accordion-type steel reeds mounted on reed banks. On the right side, we have 15 buttons plus the air button. On the left side, we have 15 buttons and one set of reeds total. And now I'm gonna play you some pieces to demonstrate the sound.